Hey there, beautiful. Welcome back to my channel. If we've never met and this is your first time joining us, hi, my name is Kristen and I'm a professional makeup artist. I've been doing makeup professionally the last 10 years and I've created this channel to share with you what I've learned the last decade. In this video, I've put together two different variations of how I like to do brows. The first video will show you how I like to outline my brows and fill them in with pencil and pomade to prepare them before I do a waxing. You'll also see me wax my brows in this video. And this footage isn't meant to be educational, this is just to show you how I like to do my own brows. If you guys like to see professional content, let me know in the comments below.
I'm going to need my palette and my spatula. I like to depot all of my cream-based products such as pomade. You'll need two brushes, one for blending and one for precision. You'll need an eyebrow pencil and a white pencil or pomade. I'm going to use my straight edge spatula here and divide my eye into three different sections. The first starting at the beginning of my eye and at the edge of my nose. The second lining up with my pupil and my arch. And lastly, lining up with my eye and the end of my eyebrow. And this is really a universal technique to map your brows. Next, I'm going to outline the shape that I prefer. Next, I'm going to diffuse any harsh lines again. And then I'm going to take a Q-tip with a little bit of facial toner on there. This is my Bedescu Seaweed Cleansing Lotion. My skin needs to be free and clear of product so when I wax my brows, the wax can adhere to the hairs. Next, I'm going to take the pomade and fill in where I outlined with the pencil. Here is the finished result using the pencil to outline and the pomade to fill in. I'm going to go off camera, finish the other brow, and then we'll start waxing. As I'm reviewing the footage from the video I did yesterday, I'm realizing I didn't show you guys how to do something more natural. The way I did the brows yesterday, or previously that you just watched, is how I did my clients when I was doing waxing appointments. So I would fill in their brows as I would if I were doing their makeup. So then the reason behind doing that is so you have the brow already drawn in how you would do it, and then you just wax everything around it.
and that is the best technique that I have learned or have witnessed and ever used. So that's why they were kind of heavy yesterday. I want to show you now how to pencil your eyebrows in a more natural way. And if you liked how I did them in that video, that's a great way to do them, is using the pencil first and then going in with pomade and kind of filling them back in. So I have here the Morphe Micro Brow Pencil, and the color is Latte. So these pencils are fantastic because you see how thin they are? Like, look how great that is. Isn't that fantastic? So I always start off with my right brow for some reason. It's like my favorite. I don't know if you guys have like your favorite brow. I'm gonna start at the bottom here. And kind of just like really gently, just like feather that, right? And so once I get to where my arch is, start putting some strokes down. So once everything is kind of filled in, it sounds kind of harsh. That's okay. Take that spoolie and diffuse the color. Just like that. To kind of clean it up a little bit more, what we're going to do, take either a foundation or like a tint if you just put that on if you have great skin and you don't need a lot of coverage. I don't want to put a whole ton of coverage on, but I want to make sure you guys can see where I'm going to lay the makeup so you can see how I outline it and blend it in. So I'm going to take a little bit of concealer and I'm going to go around now. Then I'm going to take a fluffy brush. This is just something off of Amazon, the Best Ope. Just from Amazon. Really good brush, actually. Now I'm just going to take this spoolie and kind of just diffuse them a little bit more. I also like to take a little flat brush, something you would use like on the eyelid. It's the old e.l.f. brush of all things, right? I love e.l.f. So I'm going to come back through and I'm going to blend all that out a little better. So there we go. A happy little eyebrow. The trick is getting the other one to look the way you want it, and look just like the other one. that's what we got. So are they perfect? Probably not. No, they're not perfect. Okay, but that's okay because they're twins. No, they're not twins. They're not twins. Sisters. Distant cousins sometimes, sure. But for the most part, there's the video of how I like to more naturally shape my brows. So, alright. Let me know what you think. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, give me a thumbs up and subscribe and hit that bell so you get every notification I got. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Stop it. Okay, one more time. Micro Brow Pencil. My favorite brown.